afternoon, wherever the time is that you were watching this. And sorry for the echo. I'm in the bathroom and I figured it would be way easier to just film the Boxy Charm in my bathroom while I'm getting ready and show you guys what came in it. So if you're interested to see what came in this month's Boxy Charm, then go ahead and keep on watching. Do you guys want me to explain what Boxy Charm is? If you're watching this, you probably already know what it is. Monthly subscription box. I purchased 3 months worth at a time because you save a little bit extra money. Usually 80% of the time, I am satisfied and happy with what comes in the box. There's always a couple items that I'm like, would I purchase that myself? Probably not. But then there's always a couple items that I'm just like blown out of the water. It was a freaking steal, just because let's be honest, if you go to Sephora, any product you get it's like over $20, it's over $30. Sometimes we're even looking at $50. And Boxy Charm has come with so many items that are well worth over that. That's why I keep on getting it. Anyway, this month's Boxy Charm theme is, what does this even say? A fresh start. Ooh, January 2021, fresh freaking start. I don't think I should, oh yeah, okay. 5 items, guys, for $25. First one, because my lips are just driving me insane. They're always dry. I use my Laneige sleeping mask, which I will show you. This is amazing. People sometimes say it's overhyped. It's not overhyped. It's glorious. It's amazing. Put this on every night before you fall asleep. Put it on in the morning when you're getting ready. It's phenomenal, but this didn't come in the Boxy Charm. I don't know what I'm getting at here. What did come in the Boxy Charm is the Lip Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Anything coconut in it, and I'm just like, sold, give it to me, bring it on. I want everything coconut, and I do like orange as well. So I've actually never heard of this brand, but it says it retails for, my little paper here, $33. Have I ever spent $33 on a balm? No, I have not. Will I say that that's won't happen in the future? I mean, you never know. So this is kind of what it looks like, green packaging. Scent, it smells good. I did look at the ingredients in this. It's mainly coconut oil. And so if you have coconut oil in your pantry, there you go. I mean, it smells incredibly good. It feels really good. So good. You guys, the Boxy Charm, what's nice about it when you're part of Boxy Charm is they have all these other products that you didn't get in your Boxy Charm for literally a fraction of the cost. We're talking like a $50 something is now only $10. I'll show you a picture of some of the options that they have, but that happens all month long. You have options to just purchase a $10 product that gets shipped right to you. You get discounts. Okay, but do my lips look super juicy, plump? I'm gonna start using that more often. You know what would make it even better if it was and had SPF in it, but here we are. When I opened the box and I saw this Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, I was so excited because Pharmacy, they're in Sephora, they're kind of expensive. I mean, it's not a cheap brand. This is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. The MSRP is $38. Ooh, and the packaging of this is glass jars. What is it about glass jars that just give me life? I feel like packaging is so much. I mean, it's just so important, especially if you're paying over $30 for a product. You want the packaging to be phenomenal. Let's read the claims real quick. A silicone-free. Wow, it's silicone-free. That delivers lightweight hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. Ooh, it contains hyaluronic acid. Okay, I'll take that. We have dry skin. I have dry skin. A lot of my videos on here that do really well are all about my dry skin, which more of those are coming soon. Oh, the texture. This is super cool. Love the green color. If I'm looking over here, my mirror's over here. The scent, it doesn't really have a scent. If anything, it's more medicinal, which I'm obsessed with medicinal scents with skincare. I really like this. Usually moisturizers, I am really picky because I feel like they sit on top of my skin and they doesn't really get soaked in, which is why I've been using so many oils like this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil, which I love. Okay, before I go into the next product, I forgot I was making mac and cheese for my kids. I'm telling you, some of these videos, they gotta be filmed just like within 10 minutes, and then it's time to move on. So I'll make mac and cheese right now. which, you know, the Kraft mac and cheese, way to go. I'm gonna pour that in. Do you guys check the time as to how long it's supposed to be in there? I have been lately, you know, I'm just trying to step up my cooking game. 7 minutes. Bam, done. Now we can go back and finish this Boxy Charm try on. It's eye cream time. Yes, 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 Dr. Brandt. Do you know how much this little thing retails for? Ooh, $82. It's a deeply hydrating peptide powdered cream that will help diminish all signs of aging. So it says, do not age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I've actually been using this for a couple days now. And you know what I like about it the most? Did I already tell you guys how much this retails for? $83. Have I ever spent that much on an eye cream? I have not. So it's pretty cool that this came with it. But the thing with Dr. Brandt, though, I've noticed the packaging is just super simple, which is fine with an eye cream. I do have eye creams that are in a jar, and for some reason, those don't serve me as well. I'm just better off with a little squeezy tube like this because I feel like I get all the product. I'm not dipping my finger in there. It's not complicated. So I've been using this quite often every single night, and it's gonna be kind of fun to use it during the day, a little spoil myself. I actually put my eye cream in the middle of I get fine lines right here so easily and on my forehead, so I always just take my eye cream and put it over there, you know? And the next two products are actually powder. So I have this Ciate London eyeshadow palette and then this Bronzed in Paradise palette, which, whoa, I hope that didn't break. I have to do my base before I apply any of this on. So I will be right back with my base and then we'll give these a try. My base is completely on. If you're wondering, the foundation, the primer, the concealer, everything that I use, I'll just have it linked down in the description. This is the base I've been using for almost a month now, and I'm obsessed. I'm going to do a review on the foundation because it's literally like $6, and it's one of my favorite foundations I've ever used, hands down. So the next product is a palette. This is the Ciate London, the Velvet palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. Ciate London and Boxycharm, I'm pretty sure they have some kind of contract because I seem to get quite a bit of Ciate London products in the Boxycharm. And so it's this cute, oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. It's this cute blush pink packaging. Hallelujah, we love that packaging. This is what it looks like on the inside. Gorgeous. I'm trying to hide my messy closet and my kids run in and this is what's going on here. This retails for $30 and I'm about to go to the gym, so I don't want to do anything too crazy. And I know what you're thinking. Why are you doing your makeup before you go to the gym? You guys, this is my job. So I have to find the time to do this. And I will be honest, sometimes it's nice to do my makeup and be ready for the day, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here. They don't have names, which is kind of nice. Just with that sheer pink over my lid, and then I'm just gonna deepen things up a little bit with either this one, or this one. Ooh, which one? We'll go with this one. Yeah, bud. I love how subtle that looks. The colors are blending out incredibly well, which I'm super shocked with. I'm shocked. I don't know what it is. I'm just always a skeptic when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. Like, I feel like it's a hard thing to nail. And then now we have the metallics. Which metallic should I go in with? This is so hard. I'm kind of thinking either this one. Now let's feel. Okay. They're not super moist because you know how metallics sometimes have like more of that oil base, and so, but it's the perfect amount. Like, it's not too crazy. All right, so the last product in the Boxy Charm is a bronzing palette, and it's by a Ciate Bronzed in Paradise palette. Such cute packaging once again, and this is $30 too. There's 4 different bronzers. So that's really cool because I don't know if you're a makeup artist or you do your friend's makeup, you have so many different colors. But I also love this because, you know, it's very inclusive. I mean, look at all those shades. I'm kind of thinking though, I'm probably going to be this shade. These look pretty dark for me. It's always a little nerve-wracking. Let me find my brush. Here it is. It's always a little nerve-wracking trying a new bronzer because the bronzer is such an important step in the makeup process. I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna go in with this Jaclyn Hill times Morphe JH05 brush, and I just like it because I can pat the bronzer in. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm thinking this is my shade. Let's see. This is what the bronzer looks like. I will say definitely more powder, but that's because the first ingredient is mica. I wouldn't say it was hard to blend out, but I wouldn't say it was easy to blend out. I'm just going to have to try a couple more brushes. The real telltale sign about this bronzer is going to be how it lasts throughout the day. That's the one thing I'm super nervous about because usually it can fade just depending on the quality. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, show you the final look. We're gonna go over the final price and the value of this Boxycharm was. And then, guys, this is the final look. I actually think it turned out gorgeous. I just love just like the subtle, like, I don't know, it looks good. Take number 580 to end this video. The total today of the value was $213. That's insane, $213. Things I really liked: the face oil, the eye cream, the lip balm, the eyeshadow palette, and the bronzer palette. Like, I just don't necessarily have a use for those. I have a lot of those, but you know, I'm just gonna keep using them, see how I like them, and if you know I don't get enough use out of them, I'm gonna give them to a family member or something like that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.